In 2026, we find ourselves surrounded by the detritus of a disposable economy. Most consumer technology, frankly, feels designed with a predetermined expiry date, destined for the landfill before the decade is out. But then, occasionally, something emerges that defies this cynical trend. Something built not for mass market appeal, but for enduring, relentless performance. The G.SKILL Trident Z Royal Series DDR4 RAM is one such defiance. This isn't flimsy plastic, destined for the recycle bin with a shrug. Pick it up, feel the heft. It carries the reassuring density of solid CNC-machined aluminum, each module weighing perhaps a few ounces, more than its plastic-shrouded cousins. That weight, mind you, isn't decorative. It's industrial-grade thermal dissipation, engineered to maintain unwavering stability under continuous load. There's zero flex, zero rattle, just the uncompromising feel of hardware that means business. This is the difference between an ephemeral gadget and a strategic asset. For the high-performing professional, time isn't merely money, it is the very currency of impact. Every micro-stutter, every fractional second of lag in a complex compile or a massive dataset analysis represents efficiency leakage. Consider the impact of shaving mere seconds from countless daily tasks. If this memory, running at a true 4,000 megatransfers per second, saves you just 10 seconds in loading a critical application, and you access that application 50 times a day, that's 8 minutes and 20 seconds reclaimed. Over 250 working days in a year, you've bought back almost 35 hours of focused, uninterrupted mental bandwidth. That's more than a full work week of friction eliminated. Buying back your morning every morning. This is not about raw numbers, it's about fluid workflow, about preventing the tiny irritations that compound into significant frustration and financial loss. Now, this caliber of hardware demands respect. It is not plug-and-play for the casual hobbyist. It insists upon proper configuration, careful motherboard validation, and absolutely no mixing of memory kits. For the discerning professional, however, this isn't a limitation, but a declaration of precision. It's a statement that this hardware is engineered for optimal singular performance, not lowest common denominator compatibility. Its substantial heatsinks, while elegant, mean you must consider clearance in your chassis, but that physical presence is the very heatsink that keeps your intensive workflow from throttling. In a global supply chain increasingly prone to volatility, especially as we move deeper into 2026, strategic hardware acquisition is paramount. Prices shift, and stock levels fluctuate, making consistent access to components like this an exercise in timing. Securing such an integral piece of your professional toolkit now could very well prevent future downtime, preserving your billable hours and your sanity. I put the link below so you can check the current 2026 price and stock.